Mchumbo nyaribari chache Mheshimiwa Zairi Janda na eta saga tewa buna bagusi ndugu ati numbers tira meki montabe president ntara ilumo no yuare ganda buri ase voters register nyaribari chache numbers kizairi abuate kuruwa sia community ya chama ya kabo muchumbe Zaire, you need to apologize to our community. When you are being fought through that tribal card, we stood with you. So before you make such utterances, reevaluate where you come from. I hope you will apologize and talk to those people you are addressing that it's not about where you come from. It's about the ideas you have. I'm done. Amangana Zaire. Hili ngana linene. Ntuno mo Gusii. Mungwana narole gavana ya Busongo koro Simba Arati. Omungwana oyu akorondi omunu. Akorondi omunu kuru awuchia. Number one, Simba Arati is not our spokesperson. Simba Arati cannot be our spokesperson. He doesn't have the intellect and the reasoning of leading the Gusii people. He can't. That's an illiterate brat. He has failed as a leader in Gusii. His leadership has been marred with corruption, gunsism, and incompetence. He cannot take a mic and tell the Kenyan people that he speaks on behalf of our people. No, not Simba Arati. We better give that seat to someone like Nyaribo. Nyaribo is much better than Simba Arati. If there is failure in leadership, don't look anywhere, look at Simba Arati. So, we don't have a spokesperson called Simba Arati. Maybe can be a spokesperson in one town seat in China, not in Kenya or in Gusii. The only spokesman we know and who has stood with us as Gusii community is the one in Nairobi, the Nairobi and the diaspora spokesperson, Geoffrey Musiria. He has worked for our people. He helps our people. We know what he does for this country and Nairobi and for our community. He can claim that title, but not Simba Arati. Number two, Simba Arati, you have no capacity. You cannot abuse Rigiji. Rigathi Gachagua is way above you. Rigathi Gachagua doesn't need you. It's you can look for Rigiji, not Rigiji looking for you. Respect Rigiji. You cannot tell us that you can work with Matiang'i separately at the same time you work with Ruto and Raila separately. You cannot work like that. You have to choose a stand, and I know your stand. We know where you stand. Go and work for that Raila Odinga. That's where you belong. You're the deputy party leader. Go there, work with him in your broad-based government. You can't be at the same time at broad-based and at the same time opposition. No. We know where you stand. Your stand is with Raila. Go there. Stop confusing our people. We have chosen this path of making Matiang'i the sixth. And there's no negotiations we are going to have with the Ruto. We will be facing Ruto at the ballot. So choose a side. Choose a side. Go stick there. We don't need you. We don't need you with your loose utterances everywhere, calling leaders names. Who do you think you are? You cannot address us the way you want. We, the people, will decide where to go, not you. You don't speak on our behalf. apologize to Rigiji. And whatever Rigiji did to you when he was the deputy president, I second it. I support him. Because you're also beating people, his supporters in Gusii. So you wanted him to come and clap for you? No way. And lastly, Onyonka. Simba Arati, Onyonka. Onyonka has been the most vocal person in this nation talking about the Matiang'i presidency. From day one, he has been talking about the Matiang'i presidency. He has been all over TV stations, going anywhere, political rallies talking about Matiang'i. You cannot abuse him the way you abused him yesterday. You need to grow up, young man. You don't ever think we cannot address you. We will address you. And the people of Gusii are tired with your shenanigans. So, Simba Arati, join UDA, stick there, work with Osoro, work with Japheth, work with Zaire, Alpha. We are good. We don't need to work with us. And you are not going to give us ultimatums. No. We have decided to form government. And we're forming government. Kindly, Simba Arati, respect Onyonka, respect Rigiji, respect Matiang'i. You cannot say that you are supporting Matiang'i while you are contradicting his stand. His stand is, they have to work with the other opposition figures. Eugene Wamalwa, Rigiji, Kalonzo Musyoka, Martha Karua, and the rest. But now you have chosen to work with the rest and they leave Rigiji out. That's not your decision to make, my brother.